I wanted to demonstrate my finishing technique, which is a modern variation on applying oil varnish and rubbing down with steel wool between coats. Then we're going to use a mixture of varnish and paint thinner and wet sand. And you're going to want to have gloves on. You'll see why shortly. All right, so let's prepare our varnish mixture. I've got some polyurethane. Got it at the local Home Depot. And yeah, this is all very messy. All right, yeah, don't forget to close up our lid. Our varnish can. Don't want to forget to do that. And fill it up with paint thinner. Completely ordinary paint thinner. Mix it up. So after this, we're going to wet sand. And I have prepared a set of sanding blocks.